So they give you some bean bags here for you to play if you're eating outdoors. So if you're dining, eating, drinking outdoors, you have some activity games as well. The Whack-A-Mate down there at the end. So someone's playing with that. Whacking. That guy is blocking, security guard. So he's whacking, she's whacking, yeah. So fun games. Big whack there on the head. Yeah. Bridge. Yeah, I don't know. I think you enter free and then you pay when you go in. I don't know. There's no entry fee, I think. Don't think there's any entry fee. So there's some more F&B up here, up the stairs. And we are on the bridge. Fisherman's Walk. Fisherman's Walk.